Are you ready to cut through the noise and create a newsletter that actually gets read? We're diving into Beehiiv, a powerful platform built for newsletter creation and growth first. Head over to Beehiiv.com and sign up for an account. They have free plans to get you started. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Your newsletter's central hub. Click on Write Post on the top of the dashboard to begin building your first newsletter issue. Now comes the fun part, designing your template. Beehiiv offers various pre-designed layouts to get you started. Explore different options to find one that matches your brand's aesthetic. Click on the theme to preview it. Next, let's populate it with engaging content. Use the intuitive editor to add headlines, text, images, and calls to action. Make sure your content is concise, valuable, and reflects your newsletter's niche. Growing your audience is crucial. Beehiiv offers robust subscriber management tools. You can import existing email lists, create sign-up forms for your website, and even track subscriber analytics to see what resonates with your audience. Speaking of analytics, keep a close eye on your open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. These insights will help you refine your content strategy and optimize your newsletter for maximum impact. And if you're looking to monetize your newsletter, Beehiiv offers powerful features like paid subscriptions and advertising options. With Beehiiv, you've got the tools to create engaging newsletters, grow your audience, and connect with your subscribers effectively. Now go out there and build something amazing.